Alright, that is at full speed. I have that thing, as you can see, all the way out. And yeah, I don't know. Is it really a 48 volt motor? Maybe. I don't know. It's not getting any faster as it goes around the track. It's actually getting slightly slower. And please excuse the mess. I'm in the middle of rebuilding the set. Anyway. Yeah, I don't know. The E-unit reverse mechanism is still engaged. I actually took it all apart, cleaned it, put it back together. It really hasn't improved everything. And actually the train is going forward right now. So, yeah. Okay, everyone, let's see if I could try to reproduce this problem. Now, I removed the pinion gear, so this thing won't go anywhere. But if I apply power, you get that. Now, if you move it a little bit, and I'm going to try to force it to do this, so probably get a little jolt. That is what I'm getting. It's just bouncing back and forth all over the place. Right. We're going to kill it. So, I know the wiring looks crazy. I'll explain it. Because this is still really basic. The red wire here, yes, it's connected to that other wire, but that is going to the pickup. Alright, and you can see it there. It follows down, and it's soldered onto the pickup bar. This wire is coming off of one of the coil winds, or the coil wind itself. It's the one end. This other end, yeah, I know, it's just there with a piece of solder, but that's the other side of the coil. That's still making good ground, because I ohmed that out, so that's good. So, everything here should be running. Now, I did check the armature. I did check the commutators. Everything passes. There's nothing wrong. So, I tried a little experiment. What happens if I put DC voltage on this? And I tried that, and we get a very similar thing. So that's just direct current. I even tried it right to the wheels itself so you guys could see a better way of doing it. Again, you know, no pinion gear, so it can't fly off anywhere. You know, battery's going dead already. But point is, it was, you heard it chirping there before, and that's the only way I could describe it. It's like a chirp. Now here's the thing. When this thing gets locked up, or you apply power, it gets locked up, it hardly wants to move. That's moving freely. If I do this again, probably can't see it, but okay, we're back on the video here. So, here's the locomotive all back together. I have my one Bing passenger car connected to it. And, yeah, let's see what it does. Looking pretty good. Obviously, it needs a little bit more power than it did the last time because it's pulling now a load. But not sure what that was. It's a very nice looking locomotive, that's for sure. It does get a little tight around that wall, doesn't it? Now you'll notice that the locomotive is a little sluggish in spots, and that's something with the pinion gear itself. The pinion gear is a little misformed. It's almost shaped like a cone, and I think it's just binding. I'm hoping the soft brass will eventually wear itself in, and that will get a little bit better over time. However, for the most part, I say that's a success. And again, we're not at full throttle here. Now the other thing is, because it's a DC motor, once you take power away, it stops. So, that's nothing out of the ordinary. That's supposed to do that. But yeah, so my 48 volt Bing has now been converted to a DC cam motor with AC to DC bridge rectifier, and I could run it with a ZW without any problems. It's a lot better than having, trying to get a 48 volt power source to this thing. Yeah, so hope you guys liked the video, and thanks a lot.